we're finally here, getting set up. You can probably tell the sun is setting. I'm gonna quickly get this swag set up. Shouldn't take too long. There is kangaroo poo everywhere, but we'll be fine. Let's get this unpacked. So I mentioned in my video on Insta the nice bag it comes in. So weather resistant, not waterproof, but I'd say water resistant. Some of these anti-slip clips where you just slide and it undoes it. That's just me being lazy because I didn't want to unzip the other side. Pegs, again, everything comes in one of these weather resistant bags. So, Hima, someone just kindly passed me this. I was using a walking shoe. And that is it. I don't know how long it's taken me. I put a timer on when I edit this video together. But as you can see, so simple, goes up so quick. Great. Just going to throw the mattress in there now. 7cm mattress with this, that comes with it. This is the double swag. I'll chuck that in there now. Easy as that. Yeah, plenty of room in here. It's comfy, isn't it?
Soft, yeah.
Yeah, soft. So, really good so far. Let's see how tonight goes. I'm going to knock this off now for the night. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, YouTube. We made it. We survived the night. Oh, first of all, let's start off with the swag. How was it last night? So much room in here for two people. Comfy. Warm. Well, warm enough anyways, as you would normally expect, but we've got quite a thick cover in here. Can't comment on how waterproof it was because we didn't have any rain. However, so far the review is so good. I definitely recommend it to people if they was to buy one. The double or the single, of course.